Good morning, Forex traders. I just wanted to share with you this indicator that I found and purchased. It's not free. It's called Lux Algo. I'm sure you've seen some videos about it on YouTube. So I decided to get it and experiment with it. And so far, I'm very happy with the results. It basically gives you sell and buy indicators. Right now, I have it on the 5-minute time, and it it works really great. Like here, we got a buy and a sell here. There was a news event today at the Federal Chair Powell spoke, and that's what caused all these spikes. And I can show you on different pairs what happened as well, but they're pretty much acted the same way. So this move right here was 49 pips, and this one right here, if you just took the signals blindly without doing any analysis, that was 74 pips. So that's like insane amount of pips here for a very short period, very short time. And it does work on different time frames. Like this is on the 5-minute chart. If you wanna, it even works on the 1 minute time. But of course, you're gonna get just within, like anything else, with the shorter time frame, the more fluctuation and false moves you're gonna get. So sometimes I do trade it on the 1 minute, and other times I don't. So for example, here you would have gotten, like, I mean, for a very short time. So this is like a buy. Usually this indicator turns on and off until the candle closes. But once the candle closes, it does not repaint. So that was 18 pips in 28 minutes. So that's really good. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to get rid of that. Okay. So my favorite time frame to use it is 5 minutes. You can also use it on the 3. Let's see what kind of indication. Wow, this is pretty accurate on the 3. So as you can tell, it's live right now. And I actually just took a trade here a couple of minutes ago, and I got I think I got like 5 pips really quick. I bought it like right here, and I think I sold it when I saw this 2 bearish candles. But if you just follow it blindly, I mean, not blindly, but it'll still yield very good results. Some people like to use it on the higher time frames. I haven't tried that yet because I don't like to hold positions for a long time, but let's see what happens if you would have just traded it on the, and it comes with other indicators as well, like these bands, support and resistance levels. So if you're a position traders, you can have just bought this here, so end of this candle here, and got the strong buy. So that wasn't very much. That was like 37 to 82. So that's about like 50 pips right here. But if you would have gotten here, I mean, these are really good trades here. I'm trying to pick the one that lost here. So this one lost, I think. So here to here, yeah, minus 19 pips, no big deal. And then you got in here. Oops, it's kind of tedious. I have this running on the paid trading view, just so I can get alerts, and it's a lot more convenient. I can get 2 screens as well. But you can run this on the free one as well, on the free trading view. So check this out. If you like to position trade, this would have been great. Look at this here. Enter here. We didn't get a sell signal yet, and we're up 700 and almost 800 pips here, 780 something. So again, I say the way I use it is for scalping on the 5 minutes, and you can do different pairs as well. So Euro USD, Similar move to the pound dollar. CAD. Took a short trade this morning on the CAD. I think I shorted around here. And I wasn't too greedy. I I got out at this candle, so I missed this giant move. But if I would have just traded as just following the signal, that would have been a lot more pips. Anyways, I'll put a link. I am an affiliate for this product, so I'll put a link in the bottom. But to me, it seems to work, and also works on stocks. Let's say Facebook, for example, daily. So last signal you got was here, 254. So there's also a lot of false ones too, like sell. But as long as you're above this band here, I wouldn't take any sell. I would just take buys. And same goes when the price is below this, you wouldn't take buys, you take sells. So quite a here's a stock I can't afford to trade. Let's see how that one, how it fared on this one. So last buy I gave was at 16.20, and now it's at 22. That's insane. That's $600 movement. That's crazy. Anyways, if you have any questions, email me. I'll put a link for this software. It's called Lux Algo, and it does have different settings. Like let me go back to Forex, because that's what I mainly trade. So I adjusted one setting here. There's some settings you can play with. I think the default was 4.95. That's the default it comes with, but I don't like this one because it gives way too many signals. Let's see, that looks the same right now, but I think if you do on 1 minute, it gives a lot of false signals. So I like to use it on this setting. I did a little bit of playing around with it. Oh, right here. So I do like the 6 settings on the 5 minute. That's what I mainly trade. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you.